My name is Scott Whitley. I'm the Commercial Product Sales Manager at Flexaust. Today we're going to talk about kits. We make a wide selection of kits now that cover everything from commercial and industrial MRO to wet-dry kits to garage cleanup kits. Some of the kits we make are for general application. The majority of the kits that we make are customized for a customer's specific needs. One of our best-selling kits is our commercial MRO kit. That's this one with the orange hose. Comes with a claw tool and a crevice tool, but everything you need for general cleanup. The kit with the green hose is our garage cleanup kit. It comes with a number of accessories, floor tools, two-piece wand, hose handle, that sort of thing. And then we make a central vacuum kit also, the one that you can see in the silver. Comes with a nice hose handle that has a bleeder valve attached and comes with a number of accessories to go along with it. So if you're looking for original equipment parts packaged in a kit, check us out. If you got any questions, please go to our website, flexaust.com. Thanks so much for watching.